Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python Programs for Beginners series. In this video, we're going to learn how to add two numbers in Python using the addition operator. In Python, we use the addition operator, which is represented by the plus symbol, plus, to perform the addition operation. In Python, addition operator takes two operands, one on the left and one on the right, and returns their sum. Let's understand this with an example. If we take two numbers, 15 as left operand, 20 as right operand, the addition operator returns their sum, 35. Now, let us write a Python program to do the same. We'll begin by asking the user to enter two numbers. We'll use the input function to take input from the user as strings, and then convert those strings into integers using the int function. We'll store the first number in a variable called num1, and the second number in a variable called num2. Now comes the main part, using the addition operator. We will add the two numbers using the expression num1 plus num2, and store the result in a variable called sum_result. Finally, we'll print the result using a print statement, along with a message, sum is sum_result. Let us do a dry run of this logic. If the user enters 15 for num1 and 20 for num2, then the addition expression becomes 15 plus 20, which results in 35. This value is stored in sum_result, and the program prints that the sum of the two numbers is 35. Let's run the program. When the user enters two numbers, same as in the dry run, 15 and 20, the program calculates the sum and prints that the sum of the two numbers is 35. To summarize, the addition operator in Python is used to add numbers. It takes two operands, one on the left and one on the right, and returns their sum. If this video helped you understand how to add two numbers using the addition operator in Python, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials.